Okay, pupils, we are on this Academy Stars Year 6 workbook on page 4. This is an introductory unit. Welcome. So we are on lesson 1, Meet the Academy Stars. Activity 1, what do you remember? Read and complete. So you need to listen to the audio in the pupils book on page 5. So this is it. It's on audio 1.1. So I will play this audio in order for you to understand. So before I play the audio, you will need to recognize a few faces here. So this is Alice, Oliver, Kate, and Sophia. So these 4 faces you will need to recognize before answering the questions. And I'll play. So the first audio will be on this person here. So this is Alice.
I'm Alice. I live with my mum and dad and my 2 brothers. My favourite subject at school is English. I enjoy science too, but it's the most difficult subject for me. In my free time, I like reading. I love books. During the holidays, I stayed at home. I visited museums and played tennis with my friends.
So we can answer this already. So the third one, so this is I'm Alice. I live with my parents and 2 brothers. In my free time, I like, so this is reading. My favorite subject is English. So next.
My name is Oliver. I live with my mum, my dad, and my grandpa. I haven't got any brothers or sisters. My favourite subjects are art and computer studies. I like making things in my free time. I make models of castles and spaceships. In the holidays, we went to the countryside. We visited a farm and an amazing castle.
So the second person is Oliver. So number 2. So hi, I'm Oliver. I live with my mom, my dad, and my grandpa. I like making things like models. My favorite subjects are art and computer studies. So studies. So this is a second person. So continue to play the audio.
I'm Sophia. I live with my parents and my grandma. I've got a sister and a brother too. At school, my favourite subject is science. It's more interesting than maths or art. I like doing sport in my free time. I do karate after school and I play tennis at weekends. During the holidays, I went to Jordan to visit my cousins. We visited Petra, an ancient stone city. It was amazing.
So this is Sophia. So I'm Sophia. I like doing. So this one is sport. In my free time, I play tennis. At weekends, my favorite subject is science. And then finally, we will go to this fourth person here.
I'm Kit. I live with my parents and my sister. My favourite subject is music. It's the most interesting subject and it's easier than art or English. I play the piano and the violin and I practice them a lot in my free time. In the holidays, I went to the beach. We swam in the sea and ate ice cream.
So this is the fourth person. Hello, I'm Kit, K-I-T. I live with my parents and my sister. So no S here. My favorite subject is music. I play the piano and the violin. So next we'll go to this activity 2 here. Complete the sentences for you. So this is your own answer. So I will just write my answer here. You will have your own answer. So hi, I am. So maybe Anderson. So you can write your full name here, Anderson. And then I live with my parents. Maybe you can follow this guide here. So my parents. We already have these full stops here, so it's okay. If you didn't put full stop, you shouldn't put basically. So I live with my parents. At school, my favorite subject is, so maybe it's mathematics. So there is a S here for mathematics. So number 4, in my free time, I like, so maybe cycling. So I liked cycling. Number 5, this year I want to, so maybe learn how to play a sport. So how to play maybe table tennis. So table tennis is basically ping pong. So that's it for today. So before I end this video, you can always go to this. You can always subscribe here. So you can also watch the related videos here. So right below this video, there is a link. So you can join my diagram board robot that I developed.